have a message for America. Come by at my stand. We have firecrackers here just for you, America. Just for you. Every firecracker you want for this new year to come. We have everything from hens laying eggs at only $2.10. Buy one, you get 5 free. To the classic titanium crackers, also known as the Black Cat. You buy one at $1.50, you get 5 free. Not 1, not 2, not 3, not 4, but 5 free when you buy one. 6 for $1.50. Aside from that, we also have the sparklers. That's only $1.80 the pack of 6. If you want something to go boom, we have the wonderful missile, silkworm missile, only $5.95. What could cost $10 at 100 shots going towards the sky. For you, America, only $3.50. Aside from that, we have the outlaw rocket for all those Texans out there who wish to have something go boom at only $5 the package of 6. For you military fans out there, we have the military smoke bomb at only $2.25. Everything you need for your holiday needs from the great ammo at only $160. To Wanda packs for children at $15.95. To the great mega artillery at only $198. 54 shots, 132 explosions, just for you, America, just for you. On this side, for those who are interested in wrestling, we have the heavyweight champion, just for you. Look at the colors. Look at the colors that are here, just for you, America, just for you. These colors for the brand new year to come. Follow me to this side, and you will see the whirly bird at only $2 for the dozen. We also sell the Jack in the Box, kind of like the burger, but this one explodes. The Whistling Cuckoo, just for you, America, $3.50. It whistles while it explodes to the air. 8 feet fire at 8 feet. The Midi Kings, for those of you who like the monarchies, at only $2 just for you. The classic snappers at only $2.10. And of course, you buy one, you get 5 free. Champagne bottles that pop and throw out confetti at only 90 cents the package. We don't want to miss, however, the wonderful Saturn missiles. $14.95 the package of 300. Just for you, just for you. For the kids, we have the American tank at only $2.10. You buy one, get 5 free. But if you want, you can take the whole box of American tanks for only $4.20. And for those of you who like anime, who care about Asia, we have the beautiful panda at only $2. For those of you who like big explosions, we have the great and powerful Goliath at only $90. America, this is a limited time only. Now is the time for you to enjoy the wonders of firecracking. Come, join us, support us on the corner of Jackson and Decker Road in Pharr, Texas. This has been a message to America from Osama bin Lopez.